Welcome to UGC Net student, and today topic I will be discussing about push down automata. Here I will be taking one example problem statement as a push down automata recognizable language. Construct a PDF for language W followed by C followed by W for R in such a way W belongs to A and B combination. So here suppose we are taking W with the AB combination, for example A B A, then it should immediately follow the C. Then after that AB A should be in reverse order. Such a way we want to take all these things, that will be this language. And before constructing PDA, I want to explain you what is PDA, what is the definition, how it will look like. Okay, this will be 7 tuple. This Q stand for a set of state, sigma stand for a set of input tape symbol, this Y stand for a set of stack inputs symbols, and Z0 is special symbol present in stack. Q0 is initial state of push down automata. This rho is nothing but transition function in push down automata, and capital F is nothing but set of final state in the push down automata. So if you are comparing push down automata with final state automata, additionally we provided one stack. So with the help of this stack we are able to solve some powerful problem statement than the finite automata solvable problem. As I said, W is any string with AB, and it should be W for R here. Okay, so now in order to construct push down automata, usually we need to go for 4 kind of process. The process number 1 is pushing symbols. What are the pushing symbols you want to keep to construct the push down automata? So here suppose we are in initial state. Suppose your input string initial symbol is A, then top of the stack usually Z0 initially, then we want to push this A over this Z0. And before going for next step and all, what is the idea behind to construct a push down automata? Here we are having W followed by C followed by W for R. W is AB combination, C is there, then followed by this W in reverse order. Before this C, to recognize whatever W we are come across, you want to push all the symbol inside this stack. Then once we come across a C special symbol, then this reverse symbol of W has to be recognized, and whenever we are recognizing each and every reverse symbol, you want to delete such a symbol from this push down stack. Okay, after checking W as well as W for R are same, then you will be keeping Z0 at the stack. If you are getting Z0 in stack, then we say that the given string is correct, and it will able to construct push down automata. Okay, so here again suppose you are W having B symbol, for example initially for example A present there. This A will be shifted to this push down automata stack. For example, some other cases your W combination may be initially start with B. In that case, what you want to do is we want to push down push your B over Z0. Okay, so state, input tape symbol, current symbol, and what is the current top of the stack, then what we are pushing this tape symbol over this stack. Okay, that way we are writing. Okay, so usually it will be having 6 combination for this example. Why? In the sense, initially input symbol, initial symbol will be A or B. Suppose we have sequence of A, this case, then what you want to do? I mean, previously we shifted this A in stack. Now second symbol A we want to, I mean, shift inside this stack. Okay, then top 2 symbol are A now. So like that, previously we shifted B, now A in your W. Then what happened? So this has to be, I mean, keep inside top of the stack. So like that, previously we might be shifted A. Now your W combination may be, recognizing B. Then you want to, insert B over A. Then other case is previously we shifted B. Now again you will be having B. Okay, so this case, then we want to shift again. Okay, this way we are pushing all the input symbol of W. Okay, once we shifted all input symbol of W over the stack, we want to go for next kind of process called change of state. Okay, we pushed all the W symbols. Now once we are recognizing C, we want to move from this initial state to next state. Okay, so for that, so right now tape having C. Okay, so then okay, by latest, previously we might be shifted A as last symbol from the W. Then you want to move from Q0 to Q1. Okay, so that is there. Other possibility is, suppose at last we shifted B from W. In that case, C is recognizing now. So in that case, what you want to do? You want to again move from Q0 to Q1. So like that, this problem statement is AB combination star, which mean even empty symbol, which mean language having language as epsilon also valid string. Okay, in that case, W is epsilon followed by C followed by epsilon. Okay, which mean epsilon in reverse, C is constant symbol. Okay, so in that case, what will be stock top symbol is Z0. In that case, we want to move. Okay, so here next process is popping symbol. So which mean from language, for example, A B A C A B A. This is one of the valid string of given language. We shifted all the A B A in stack. Now we crossed C. Okay. Now what we are recognizing? A. Okay, which mean ABA reverse is ABA again. Okay, so once we are recognizing input tape symbol as A, then you want to remove corresponding A from the stack, because we shift we already stacked A over B over A. Okay, now top of the symbol of stack is A. Now tape symbol also A, so both are matching. Then we want to pop out this particular A. Okay, after that we are shifting, moving to next input symbol in the tape. Now what happened? B is there. Okay, now what will be top of the stack is again B. So we are popping this B. Again we are shifting to this position. Now A is there. Okay, so your stack also having A. So we are popping this A. Now when we are moving to this position, now this will be epsilon symbol, empty symbol. Then your stack having Z0 here. So now if either epsilon symbol in the input tape or Z0 in stack, both are accepting state. Okay, so luckily push-down automata accept either with top of the stack as Z0 or tape as empty symbol. Okay, So I mean I said right. So here whenever we are recognizing w power r as a, then previously we shifted a from the w over stack. So now we are popping out. So current stack symbol is epsilon. Like that, if you are having inserted b, then again we are recognizing b from w power r. So we are popping this p. So it is epsilon. Okay, so for this example this will be popping symbols. Okay, now next one is final state. When I said right, either z naught in stack or epsilon in tape input tape input, then we are going from current state to final state q2. Okay, so now what will be at stack is z naught. Okay, so I mean after representing all four process for construction of PDA, we can draw the PDA here. Okay, so here q naught is initial state. From that I said this pushing operation I am representing here. Okay, here we want to represent with three way. A is the input tape symbol. This A is stack input symbol. And now what they are doing, okay, this a is keeping over this a, that is a here. Okay, so input tape what is present in top of the stack, then what updation happen in stack. Okay, this input tape symbol is shifted to stack over current input symbol a. Like that we have 6 combination I wrote here. And your change of state is whenever we are recognizing special symbol, then now what you are doing. Okay, so we are moving from q0 to q1, that is change of state. For this 3 combination I wrote here, so that is I mentioned here. Now what you want to do here is popping. Okay, so after change of state happen, we want to pop out. For that if a in input, a in stack, then we want to remove it. If b in inputs tape and b in stack, then we want to remove it. Okay, so after that you want to go for final state, that is either input tape is empty epsilon, and top of the stack is z naught. Then we are moving from q1 to q2, that is a final state. This is a very best example for representing push down automata. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching.